Hi everyone, today we will be talking about if Judge Judy is a real judge and if she's enforceable. Welcome to MLC Live, episode 142. I'm Renee, this is Tim. So Tim, is Judge Judy a real judge?
She was a real judge. She was a family court judge in New York, but she retired from the bench in 1996. Now she's an arbitrator.
So is she enforceable as a judge now then?
To be technical, her decisions are not judgments in the sense that a judge would issue. They are decisions issued by an arbitrator. However, it is binding arbitration, and based on that, her decisions are enforceable.
What is binding arbitration?
Binding arbitration is where the parties to a dispute agree to have a third-party neutral decide their complaint instead of going through the traditional court systems. This can often be faster and more efficient than going through the traditional court systems, especially for relatively small disputes or very specialized disputes. This is in contrast to a non-binding arbitration where a third-party neutral would issue a decision, but it would not be enforceable.
Okay, so what happens if someone doesn't like the outcome of what Judge Judy says? Can they file a lawsuit in a real court?
Generally, no. Generally, going through binding arbitration will preclude any further attempts to go to the court system, and generally you cannot appeal an arbitration decision. There are some narrow exceptions to this. In particular, if she were to dismiss the case without prejudice, that would then open the door for a new lawsuit. But normally, they have no more options.
Well, how does Judge Judy have jurisdiction on cases that are outside of California anyway, where the show is filmed?
To be technical, she does not have jurisdiction in the sense that a judge would have. She has the authority to decide the case in front of her, and she receives that authority through the agreement of the parties. Because all of the parties are agreeing to let her render the decision, there are no territorial concerns or other jurisdictional matters.
Well, there you have it. We may not have 3 daytime Emmys like Judge Judy and get paid $45 million a year to work 52 days, but we certainly can answer your questions you might have for your disputes. Thank you for watching Morris Law Center Live. See you next time.